Hello, I am Manasama and I am going to present this presentation on how to find a power of a given number on 8085 microprocessor. So first of all, as we know that 8085 cannot automatically process multiplication or addition, we must write a code for it to by adding numbers in a loop repeating n times. So before showing you how to add two 16-bit number in 8085 simulator, first check the command that I am going to use in this presentation. So the first command is jmp, jump to a specific line that is written after it, that like I am going to jump start. Then NOP, no operation. LDA is load direct to accumulator from a specific address. When I want to uh, particular value from address 2500, I will write LDA 2500H. And STA is used when we want to store the data from accumulator to a particular address. Like I want to store value from address 2500H. Then I will write STA 2500H. Then call is used when we want to call a particular function. LXI stores a value to a register pair. Add we used when we want to add some values on accumulator, some values from a register or particular memory space. GNC jump is if a carry flag is 0, like GNC skip. Then move value to accumulator to a register pair. Then we use MVI a comma 25H. Then RAT used when we want to end a particular function. It's used like return from a subroutine. Then DCR used to decrease the value from a register pair. INR used to increase a value of from a register pair. SUB used to subtract a value from accumulator. GM is jump when minus flag is 1. So the upper part of a code is like we manually put the values on 2512 and 2513. We put a base on 2512 and power on 2513. Then we transfer the memory from 2512 to 2510, that was base, and then we call a power function. So I have shown the code here. Then for the power function, we assume three things that are like us. The base is stored in 2512 and 2510, that I am shown here. Then a power is stored in 2513, and we use 2513 as an iterator. Then we start this function. First of all, we transfer data from 2510 to 2502, 2511 to 2503, 2512 to 2504. 2510 and 2511 was the 16-bit number, and 2512 is a 8-bit number, and we want to multiply them. So we call a multiply function, and after multiplying, our answer will be stored on 2500 and 2501. Then we transfer the answer to 2510 and 2511 and put 0000 to the answer memory of multiply function. Then we subtract 1 from 2513. As 2513 was, we are going to use it as a iterator. Then we put 0 in accumulator and subtract 2512 from accumulator, and check whether the minus flag is 1 or 0. And if the minus flag is 1, then we finish the function, and if minus flag is 0, then we iterate again. So here I write the function for power. It's first to make a copy of base which is used in multiplication and current answer, and a make copy of current answer. Then count multiply function, store answer from multiply function to current answer, empty the answer memory of multiply function, decrease the memory when power was stored initially, and check the loop conditions. Then the second part is implementing multiply function using addition function. So the assumption that I made here is the first number is stored at 2502 or 2503. Second number is stored at 2504, as we are going to multiply 16-bit number and 8-bit number. And here 2504, that was second number, is also work as an iterator, and the output value will be stored in 2501 and 2500. So it is a data flow for multiply function, where first of all I called add function and subtract 1 from 2504, that was iterator, and put a 0 in accumulator and subtract 2504 from A, and check whether the minus flag is 1 or 0. If the minus flag is 0, then we and our function, and if it is not 0, then we iterate again. So it is a code that I write for multiply function. Call add function firstly for first iteration, add two number and put the answer in place of first number, decrease the number that we want to multiply with after every iteration. If the number counts becomes 0, then it returns. Now adding two 16-bit numbers. So the assumption that I take in this part is the first number is at 2501 and 2500. The second number is at 2503, 2502, and the output will be at 2501, 2500. So it is a data flow for my addition function. So first of all, input will be from 2501, 2500. Number 2 is from 2503, 2502. Then we load value from 2500 to A and add 2502 to A. The answer we get on accumulator we store that in 2500, and check whether carry flag is 1 or 0. If carry flag is 1, then we put the value on yesterday as 01H. Otherwise we put 00 in accumulator. After this we add value from 2501 and 2503 to accumulator. The answer we get we stored that answer in 2501, and then we finish this particular function. So this is a code that I write for this particular function, that load first 8-bit of first number to accumulator, add the first 8-bit of second number to accumulator. If carry flag is 0, then add second 8-bit number with same procedure. If carry flag is 1, then add the second part of board number with 01. So it is my complete function that I write for finding a power of a number. Thank you.